In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import CSV file on Mailchimp. By the end, you'll have your contacts neatly added to your audience, ready for campaigns and segments. Start on your Mailchimp home dashboard and head straight to Audience. This is where all of your contacts live. From here, choose Add Contacts, then select Import Contacts. On the Import options screen, pick Upload a file and continue. Before you choose your file, a quick tip. Make sure your CSV is clean. Include a header row, have one contact per row, and ensure the email column is present and clearly labeled. Remove any blank rows or extra tabs and save it as a standard .csv file to avoid upload issues. Now select your CSV and continue. You'll land on the Organize Your Contacts page. If you manage multiple audiences, confirm you're importing into the correct one. Decide how Mailchimp should treat existing contacts. Typically, you'll want to update existing records so any new data in your CSV refreshes what's already there. When that looks right, continue. Next, tag your contacts. Tags help you group and filter later, so add simple descriptive labels that reflect how you plan to segment, like a source, region, or event name. Keep tags short and consistent so they're easy to use in campaigns. Continue once your tags are set. Now it's time to make sure your data transfers correctly. You'll see your CSV columns on the left and Mailchimp fields on the right. Confirm that columns like email address, first name, and last name are matched properly. If something doesn't line up, choose the correct field from the drop-down. For any columns you don't need, skip them. Only keep data you'll actually use. When everything is mapped cleanly, continue. You'll be asked to subscribe contacts to marketing. Only choose to subscribe people you have permission to email. If you're unsure, pause and verify consent before proceeding. This protects your deliverability and keeps you compliant. Next, finalize the import. You'll see a summary of how many contacts will be added, updated, or skipped, along with the tags you applied. Review carefully. This is your last chance to catch typos or mismatched fields. When everything looks good, complete the import. Mailchimp will process your file and your contacts will appear in Audience once it's done. From there, you can filter by tags, create segments, and start building campaigns. That's it. Your CSV is imported and your list is organized for action.